Innova is proud to announce that access to the FCA Secure Gateway for advanced and authenticated diagnostics is now available on the SDS43. Here's how to set it up and unlock the gateway. The SDS43 requires a companion app to gain authenticated access, the Repair Solutions Pro app, or RSPRO. So, the first step is to launch the RSPRO app and pair it with your SDS43. Next, you'll need an auto-auth account. Open the side menu in the RSPRO app, select My Tools, then Secure Gateway Access, and choose Create an Account. The app will provide your tool's serial number, or GUID, which you'll need to register your SDS43. Copy it, then continue. You'll then be directed to the auto-auth website. Click Register, complete the user sign-up form, and agree to the auto-auth terms and conditions. When finished, click Sign Up. A verification email will be sent to your inbox, and once verified, you'll be ready to log in to AutoAuth. Next, you'll register your service center or yourself as an independent technician. Click Sign Up, choose the plan that best suits your needs, then enter your shop details and payment information to complete the registration. If you're already part of a registered service center, ask your owner or manager to invite you using your username from the user profile page. The last thing that needs to be registered is your SDS43 tablet. In the side menu, navigate to Manage Tools and select Add Tool. Enter your name, choose Innova Electronics as the manufacturer and all models as the model. Enter the GUID displayed on the SDS tablet or paste the code you copied earlier. Pasting it ensures accuracy and saves time as well. When finished, click Add Tool to complete the registration. Now that everything is set up, your SDS43 is ready to access FCA's Secure Gateway. Return to the RSPRO app, enter the AutoAuth login credentials you just registered. Make sure to keep the tool connected to the app and maintain a stable internet connection throughout the entire process. Your SDS43 should now have authentication to access the FCA Secure Gateway. The next time you encounter this prompt, simply open the RSPRO app, pair your tool, log in, and unlock the gateway. Update your SDS43 and give it a try now. If you need assistance or have any questions, our dedicated technician support team is here to help.